Hello everyone, Ewan from Elixir Experts here. Today I'm going to show you how the impacted as planned method of delay analysis actually works in action. I will discuss its reliability and dispute resolution in a follow-up to this video. Okay, let's get into it, and please like and subscribe if you like it. The impacted as planned method of delay analysis provides for impacting the original as planned program with a delay event or delay events and ascertaining the effect on the forecast completion date. Therefore, we need an as-planned program, which I've shown here. It shows the construction of two buildings, Building 1 and Building 2, each comprising a substructure and superstructure. The start date is the 1st of January, and completion is forecast to be the 31st of August. Now, this program should be realistic and capable of achievement, which includes the as-planned program containing appropriately logic-linked activities to define the sequence and timing of work. Therefore, I've added these here, 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 and here. When the logic is added to the program, we can determine the planned critical path and perform critical path method or CPM analysis. Here we can see that at the start of the project, both Buildings 1 and Buildings 2 are critical to completion because both sequences are continuous and forecast that completion is achieved on the 31st of August. It is prudent to record this information in a table beside the program to use as a benchmark to assess the impact of any delay event, as shown here. The table shows the date for planned completion, the 31st of August, any critical delay, which is likely to be 0 in the as-planned program, and what is critical at the time of the analysis. In this case, the substructures of Building 1 and Building 2. Next, I'm going to introduce a delay event of 1 month or 30 days, affecting the start of the superstructure of Building 2 on the 1st of June. When the 30-day delay event is impacted on the original as-planned program, the completion date also moves out by 30 days from the 31st of August to the 30th of September, as also recorded in the table. It can then be said that the effect of the 30-day delay event is also a 30-day delay to completion, i.e. there is a critical delay of 30 days as a consequence of the delay event. I will just toggle the impact to allow you to see the change clearly. However, is this right? Has it caught the actual critical path at the time? To see the critical path at the time, we need to go back to the as-planned program and update it for progress at the 1st of June, i.e. the time of the alleged delay event. When progress is added to the program, we can see that the contractor had progressed the substructure of Building 1, as shown in blue here, but we can also see that there has been a 2-month delay before the substructure of Building 1 could be completed. This 2-month delay pushed planned completion out to the 31st of October, and since the substructure of Building 1 is driving completion, it is critical at the time, as recorded in the table. Now when we impact the previous 30-day delay event to the start of the superstructure of Building 2, it is evident that it has no effect on completion as Building 1 remains critical. Since it has already pushed completion out to the 31st of October, i.e. beyond the potential delay to the 30th of September from Building 2. So in this example, the results of the impacted as planned method of delay analysis have been shown to be unreliable as it does not take account of what was critical at the time. That's it. I will leave it there and look out for the follow-up to this video where I further discuss the reliability of the impacted as planned method of delay analysis and what to look out for. Thank you very much and have a great day.